Okay, just got a big box from 2J Racing. Something for the party, something for the fiesta. Let's take a look. See what we got. I ordered this back on December 23rd. It was made to order. Yes. Good packaging. I like it. Smaller box. Another smaller box. Another smaller box with nothing in it. What else do we have here? Oh, nice. We got some little foam to protect the hangers. Isn't that sweet? Good looking welds, good looking flanges. Everything is super nice. Nothing I can tell is no sugar on the inside from the little back version going on. 2J Racing. Now, for that all to work well, requires the thing that's in this box. Because yeah, that right there, that setup right there can go to it's a catback basically. This, without this, it almost makes that pointless. That'll make it a little bit louder, a little better free flowing, but this will have the factory downpipe, which is pretty restrictive, unlike this piece here. 2J Racing 3-inch downpipe, nice bevel. Welds look really good. Quality piece. This isn't some made in China junk that you get on Amazon or eBay. This stuff's made in Georgia by a group of guys that are really forward thinking for a lot of the smaller car market. Yeah, this is fantastic. It's going to sound great. I'm willing to bet this has bolts and gaskets, maybe. Just I hope there's gaskets in here. If not, need to go to the Ford dealership. No, Ford dealership's not going to help. This stuff's too big for that. But I might have to go to Summit. Luckily, it's not that far away. Oh, never mind. Got hangers. Oh, isn't that cool? Little 2J Racing jelly wristband. I'll never wear it, but of course a sticker. Just a golden sticker. Gaskets, bolts, stainless bolts. Not a fan, but they'll work. Another gasket. All right, perfect. That's everything that I need. Oh, I am excited. It's going to be fantastic. Now all these tiny women in big ass trucks, they'll be able to hear my little car, and I won't get run over. Yay! So in the box, or in the boxes, I should say, everything that comes with it. So we've got our downpipe, mid-pipe section with the resonator, and the rear section, which this is a side exit exhaust, so this will be facing the opposite direction and coming out underneath the passenger side rear section of the side skirt. Yeah, I'm super pleased with all of this for the price, especially. I can't wait to get this on the car, see how it sounds. Yeah, so you'll see that soon. Okay, so today's the day. We're putting the exhaust on the Fiesta. Step one, jack up your car, okay? And since you've been driving it on the highway for whatever, for however long, it's gonna be, the turbo's gonna be hot, the catalytic converter's gonna be hot, so you wanna do something to cool it down. Pop the hood, and then drop a fan underneath there, and just, you know, blow cold air across it, and that'll cool it down really fast. So that way you're not having to worry about burning yourself and dealing with hot bolts and tight spaces. It's a nightmare. So, all the goodies are in the back. Yes. So again, downpipe, rear section that comes out of the side, resonator. Hey Ty, you ready to do some exhaust work?
Yeah.
You ready to do some work too? Artsy fartsy? Neck warmers?
She needs to do some
20 minutes? 20 minutes maybe?
I don't know.
30 minutes? 20 minutes, 30 minutes? Something like that? Let it cool off.
Is it pretty accessible from the bottom side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's a tiny engine.
No? I don't know.
I know that a couple of the bolts might be kind of a hassle. No.
I have WD-40.
Well, I wanted a can of WD-40 as well.
So. I can have enough.
Exactly. Step one, remove the big ass OEM muffler. Step two, you know we have to get a sound clip without the muffler.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, push it.
Yep.
Okay. What's heat?
It's in my pocket. Hang on. I guess you do need a key, don't you?
Ready?
Go ahead. So quiet. So here we are with the full factory exhaust out of the car. Downpipe, catalytic converter. Now, this is so restrictive. It's so little. I mean, it's so small. It's probably like, what, 1.5 inches? Oh, even smaller than that maybe, because it throats down right here. It's just the tiniest. I mean, don't get me wrong, the turbo's minuscule, but still, I mean, for the size of the outlet, going down to that it's crazy. But, you know, restrictions, regulations, all that jazz. So this will be up for sale. It's a good cat. It's 86,000 miles. So don't know how much life it's got left in it, but I mean, it looks clean, looks good. I haven't had any check engine lights or anything, so if somebody wants to buy it, it's there. You know, heat shield, all that stuff. None of the bolts were stripped out or anything. I mean, this one was a little wonky. The threads look a little wonky, so I'd chase that with a die. But honestly, it's solid. It wasn't terrible getting it out. Everything was able to use pretty much. You know, so it's 10mm bolts here, 10mm bolts for the heat shield. We used a 7/8 wrench. Just a regular wrench, 7/8 wrench, to get the O2 sensors out. The top one was a little difficult to get to, but it wasn't impossible. And this bolt here was kind of fighting us, but you know, squirt everything with lubricant. You should be able to get it off.
What?
Just shooting video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just bring in Dr. Pepper.
took the intake pipe off to get some access to everything, and it all came off pretty easy. So we're ready to go back together. Just about.
Let's do it.
The only thing the kit didn't come with was the new ring, ring gasket for the turbo, for the downpipe. But I can just pop this one off of here, and hopefully it's in okay shape.
It's still fine.
Should be okay. Maybe.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, we'll find out. It'll either work or it won't.
It's fine.
Okay, so we're done with the exhaust. Got it in. Everything's all tight. Double checked it, triple checked. Well, not triple checked, but double checked it. Honestly, not too bad. This, I mean, the hardest part was getting the cat out of the car, or getting the downpipe out. But I mean, once we got that figured out and figured out how to get it out of the car, the rest of it was pretty much a breeze. Super straightforward. I ended up having to cut one of the exhaust hangers out because it was making contact with the resonator on this side. But got that cut out, and then had to cut out part of the pinch weld back over there on that right in that area. But yeah, that's all I have. Nice downpipe. O2's in. Factory hanger. That's all on there. Resonator. This is where the hanger was that I had to cut off so it wouldn't touch the side of the resonator. You know, little factory brace locations for the hangers, and right out the side over there. Oh, I think it's time to fire this thing up, Ty.
I think so.
All right, give me 1 second. Let me get up for
I
me.
think it's this part of the problem so much. The back half?
Yeah.
Like tail lights, the wing. Ready? Oh my god, so I really put it in force.
Crunch.
Oh god. Just right over your phone long ways, standing up, dude. Just be ready for the handbrake, it's rolling. Yep. Dude, the back looks so cool now without the exhaust. It looks like a rally car.
Oh, it's so good.
Dude, could you just, I guess not.
All right, well, let's get this fucking sound clip.
Is it going? Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's recorded. Yeah, it's recorded. That sounds great. So much better than the stock exhaust. But so quiet. Now the tiny women in big ass trucks will be able to hear me. They'll know that I exist. Fantastic. Thanks for the help, Ty. Let's go drive this thing. We're doing sound clips. You're recording?
Yeah. Yeah, sounds.
Oh, shit.
It sounds way better than I thought it was. quality choice you got there.
Yeah, I mean, the price wasn't bad. The quality, the parts were pretty decent quality. I mean, other than that one hanger getting bent in shipping, but that's not their fault.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The gaskets weren't that great. And then the bolts were small, but
But I mean, honestly,
they could have been better.
They're still grade 8 bolts, right?
Yeah, but they still should have been
And-
bigger.
Yeah, but
They should have been bigger.
It's not really going to hurt anything. It helps with alignment.
Yeah.
You know? And the gaskets. I mean, you can really. I mean, how much better are you going to get for a multi-layer gasket?
I mean, that one sucks ass. Subaru queer.
All right. Well, sounds good. It's not ridiculous. It's not obnoxious, which is nice.
It's pretty nice.
And at idle, it's not super loud or anything. You know, I can cruise it. I don't know. That
I liked it.
choice, pretty good. Pretty good. I'm happy with it. So,
I thought it was good too.
2J Racing exhaust.
Pretty nice.